Okay, the Baron Collier Memorial. Not sure where I'm going, but I'm gonna find out. Looks like it could be tent camping. It says, in the 1920s, Baron Collier owned 1,000,000 acres. Wow. 1,000,000 acres. That's a lot of acres. This may or may not be the trail that I was looking at. No, this goes back to the house. It's a cool house. Okay, I'm riding cross country, I guess. Well, I got a mile in. I'll see what's off to the right. This is where I just came from. Went and checked out the Indian village. That was fun. Got a nice canoe. Be interesting to see if you could even operate one of them canoes without falling out of it. There is bears and possibly panthers around here. They lock up the garbage at night. I knew there was a boat launch of some sort. Never been here before. Good morning.
Morning.
Just kind of looking around here. Looks like there's kayaks and canoes for rent. Salt marshes. No idea where that goes. Howdy.
Hello.
I'm wondering where that goes. Looks like a cool kayak trail through the mangroves. Definitely be checking that out one day. Okay, this might be the trail I'm looking for. I don't know. Nope, it says no bikes, so that ain't it. No bikes. Which is fine with me. I stay on the road. It looks like an awful cool place to kayak. Do not feed the wildlife. That goes without saying. I suppose that's the trail I'm looking for. Who knows, though? Seminole Nature Tours and the restroom. We're doing just under the speed limit at 12. If I pedaled as fast as I possibly could, I'd probably hit 15. Okay, that was one loop.